Do you feel underappreciated? Are you worried about developing enough clients to support your lifestyle? What if I could show you a way that you could use what you already know to relieve those pain points? What if I could show you how to build an income that will sustain your lifestyle? What if I could show you a way to do this in just your spare time? And what if I could show you a way to do all this that will make money while you sleep? Hi, I'm Dr. Ken Henry, a practicing lawyer from Louisville, Kentucky. I'm also an online course creator, and oh, by the way, I have a doctorate in curriculum and instruction with a focus on instructional design. I know what it's like to work too many hours. I know what it's like to feel unappreciated. I know what it's like to worry about having money enough to meet payroll. But I can help you address these pain points so that you can work less, feel appreciated, and not have to worry about money. Yes, I can show you how to use what you know to build an online course that will sell so that you can reduce the number of hours you have to work, and you won't have to worry about anyone appreciating you. You won't have to worry about advertising to get new clients. I would like to send you a copy of my ebook, which sells on Kindle, but I'd like to send it to you for free. All you have to do to get this ebook is to send me an email at ken@drkenhenry.com, and I'll send you a free copy of my ebook. No strings attached. If you keep doing the same thing you've always done and expect a different result, well, that's not going to work. Look, take a look at my ebook, and if you like what you see, let me know. Again, all you have to do to get my free ebook is to send me an email to ken@drkenhenry.com. Send me that email and take the first step to freedom and satisfaction.